Welcome to Sayulita, a captivating beach town nestled on Mexico's Pacific coast. Surrounded by lush hills, jungles, and mangroves, it offers breathtaking ocean views. In this video, we'll share 5 essential facts about Sayulita. 1. Health and Wellness Hub. Rejuvenate with wellness retreats, yoga, and organic markets amidst tranquil surroundings. 2. Tranquil mornings and mindful activities. Embrace serene mornings, explore local cafes, and savor a mindful atmosphere. 3. Contrasting land and sea views. Experience panoramic views while hiking through hills, jungles, and mangroves. Enjoy pristine beaches and crystal clear waters. 4. Enchanting wedding destination. 5. Wild nightlife and festive vibes. Sayulita's vibrant nightlife extends beyond traditional venues.